Hi, today I'll introduce two important models related to SRS and answer some questions that needed clarification. And finally, I'll share my own reflections on the SRS project. The part one is our two key models, and the first is the system vision diagrams. This shows how OCI works as a whole and acts as a map to help us understand how the different places fit together. For example, computer services is the brain of the system and is responsible for running various tasks. And the storage solutions is where the data resides. And the networking components are the roads that connect all the parts. I think this diagram is very important for the support team because it helps them to quickly find out where the problems are, such as which parts needs to be checked or fixed. And the next is the use case diagram. This model shows how users interact with the system, such as how an administrator creates a virtual server or how an auditor views logs. And it's useful for support teams because if a customer encounters a problem, they can refer to this diagram to quickly identify the problem steps. The next part is some questions. When working with the support team, I would like to clarify the following three questions. The first question is update frequency and downtime. How often is the system updated? How can I minimize the impact during updates? And the second question is about monitoring tools. What tools are available for performance monitoring? Are they easy to use? And the last one is about escalation process for complex issues. How should the support team escalate customer issues that are beyond the scope of support? These questions are important because they can help us better support our customers and ensure that the system is running stably. And the part three is my self-reflection. This page is about my strengths and weaknesses. I think my strengths are that I researched the requirements deeply and participated in the creation of use case diagrams. And my weakness is that time management was not good enough, and sometimes too much time was wasted on small details. The next page is about challenges and improvements. The biggest challenge, I think the most difficult part for me was creating the domain model, as it was complex and involved many relationships. Later, and I solved these problems through teamwork. And for the future improvements, I were to do it again, I would plan my time better and complete the important parts first before focusing on the details. Overall, this project has taught me the basic methods of system analysis, and I have realized the importance of teamwork and time management. And thank you for listening.